So as you guys can see, I've got 13.3k users acquired. So yes, this is legit, guys. 3.3 star reviews, and actually 3.3 is actually very good when it comes to Android Play reviews. Hello guys, and welcome to this video. And today I will tell you how I got 10k downloads on my Android app in just 1 month. And guys, it is very easy to get 10k downloads on your Android app. There are just like two simple things you have to keep in mind while developing the app and while publishing the app. So I'm going to tell you those two things in my video. So guys, I'm going to show you the numbers right now. So yeah, so that you guys can trust me on this. Guys, if you guys are wondering, this is a Valorant guide. So Valorant is basically a game which just came out, and I made a game guide on it, and I got like 10k downloads, as you guys can see here. But it is a very simple app, guys. It is a very simple app, and it is very easy to make. And I have 3.3 star reviews, and actually 3.3 is actually very good when it comes to Android Play reviews, because people are really harsh on you, and most people are stupid when it comes to reviewing any app, because I received reviews which didn't make any sense about my app. And I'll show you guys my app. So guys, this is my app. So basically it has everything, and Valorant is written on top. And if you guys click here, there is the ranks thing. It basically shows all the ranks which the game have, and if you click on it, it shows you what race is and its ultimate and all its abilities. So yes, there are so many. You can just slide on here, and you can just slide on it. And if you guys don't know what this is basically model box, if you guys don't know about that. So yes, and this model box is different because it had a lot of things in it, so you guys can just click here and get out of it. But if there is any other model box like this, which is a simple one, you guys can just scroll through it and close it, and it is very easy. But this one you have to click up here to close it. And I recently added subscribe to support on my guys, and guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys need more videos about app development. But I mostly make funny content, so yes. And I'll show you my statistics on the Google Play console right now. So guys, now I'll be showing you my statistics report on the dashboard of the Google Play console. And yes, I have to make it a little bit close, because I'll have to hide some details, the personal information which it has. So yes, as you guys can see, this is my app Valorant guide. All updates are live, and you can see my new users acquired, and this is in the last 30 days. So in the last 30 days I got 3.2k new users, and yes, it is less than the previous record because a lot of users already had downloaded this app, and now there are a lot of apps available on the app store, which is kind of similar. So yeah, but still 3.2k in 30 days is really good. So as you guys can see, as of 15th August, on 15th August I got 68 downloads, so which is really good, to be honest. And right now my average 30 days rating is 3.39 stars, which is actually quite good. Okay, and guys, now I'm gonna be showing you my lifetime users acquired, so that you guys can actually understand this. So as you guys can see, I've got 13.3k users acquired. So yes, this is legit, guys, and it's very easy. And I'm not even someone who knows a lot about Flutter. I mean, I know a lot about Flutter, but there are still so many things which I'm learning, and it's quite easy to make an app. So yes guys, and I'll show you my screen. So you guys can see I have two apps. I also have a body mass index app which I just made for fun, and it has obviously one download because I was still learning at that stage, and it was not really meant for anything. I was just trying the Play console out. And my Valorant guide has right now 635 active installs, and guys, active installs is actually a big thing. And you guys might think that out of 13k only 635 still have my app. Actually guys, that's a really good number. So yeah guys, that's the screen for you guys, and now I'm gonna tell you how I did this. So as I told you guys, it's actually really easy, and the two things which you require, like the first most important thing is the timing. So basically the timing when you publish your app is really important. And as you guys can see, I published my app on 13th April, and Valorant, the game came out in May. So yeah, I was ahead of time. So you guys have to be ahead of the market if you guys actually need installs. And the Valorant was actually in beta at that time, and that's when I had a thought, why shouldn't I make a guide? Because I was searching on the internet for a guide about it, and there was like one or two guides which were really shitty ones. So I was like, I can make a better one, and I know Flutter now, so I can do that quite easily. And so guys, I did that, and it's actually quite easy. And the second most important thing is, does anyone need that app? So is there a market for their app, or like are there more apps like that, and what are you doing differently? So at the time when I built my app, there were no good apps, but I knew that good apps would come like really fast, so I had to be quick. And that's one thing, because the thing is, when you publish an app on the Play Store, it actually takes like 5 to 7 days to actually publish the app because Google reviews that app for a really long time, and it's kind of hard to like wait that time. So you always have to be ahead of time before submitting the app, because when you submit the app, there are still like 7 days in which anyone can publish their app and can go ahead of you, because time really matters in all these things. So yeah, I published my app way before time, but it actually took 7 days, and when I published my app, in that 7-day time period, 3 apps came out and they gained like hundreds of downloads very quickly. So if I was a little more ahead of time, yes, it would have been better, but I was still learning at that stage. So yeah, I was slow. But if you guys know any app development, you guys should always be ahead of time, and you guys should always build something that is actually required. Like as you guys can see, I built a BMI app, and there are thousands of BMI apps, and my app was literally similar. It was literally similar to all the other apps, and it was actually worse than many apps. So yeah, it got just one install, and not even by me, to be honest. I don't even know who has this installed. So yeah, anyone who has this installed, can you please tell me, man? Because my BMI app was really shitty, and it obviously has just one install. And but I made this app because I wanted to see how to publish apps, because I wanted to learn that, and I didn't really have a good app. But I was like, I'm still gonna try it. So I tried that, and then when I really learned app development, I built a Valorant guide, and I am gonna make more apps in the coming future. And now I know how to market the app, and the biggest thing is you have to have a need. You guys have to have a market, and your app has to be different, because if your app is literally similar, no one is gonna download it. So yeah guys, that was the video for today, and I also make funny content. So guys, if you guys want that content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And yeah guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, please.